What's up, everybody? So you want to build a van and you're looking for the tools and everything you need to build it. You've came to the right place. We're gonna hop on a skateboard and find an awesome place to record this. So yeah, I have my sled dog Sage here and let's go. Let's go. First thing to understand with this, especially if you don't have any prior construction experience, is it's gonna be hard and you're gonna stand there for majority of the time scratching your head saying, how the heck do I do this? And that's okay, it really is. The number one thing to remember is don't give up. Just because it didn't work once doesn't mean it won't work the third time. So you're looking to build a van and you're starting to wonder, what have you gotten yourself into? How are you gonna be able to do this? Oh my God, I don't build houses. I don't know any of that. That's okay. Trust me, that's okay. Because you can do this. You can build it and it is gonna be your crown achievement, even if it turns out terrible because you built it. So let's go over some of the things that you're gonna have to build a van. All right, let's do it. Number one, you're gonna have to have a drill. Now, whether or not that's an impact drill or a regular drill is up to you. I personally am gonna 100% recommend you get an impact drill because those are so amazing. You can pretty much use it with any part of your build, whether it's drilling a hole, whether it's screwing, whether it's pretty much anything. All right, ready for number two? Let's do it. So number two is pretty simple. You're gonna have to have a saw, and that's to cut the lumber. I 100% recommend DeWalt for all of your cordless tools. So pretty much what I've done with my build thus far is a cordless impact driver, so that's the drill gun, as well as a cordless DeWalt circular saw. With those two things, you pretty much can do anything you want to do. There's tons of different blades for the saw. There's tons of different bits for the impact driver. With that, it pretty much brings your build to 85 to 90%. Definitely livable though. All right, that's two. Ready for number three? It's coming at ya. Three. I know this is dark and scary, but it is. Use self-tapping screws. What this is it basically drills the hole and then the screw holds itself into the metal. It's something that not a lot of people use because they don't know about it. They are slightly more expensive, but the time you save by not having to drill the hole, switch your bit, and then put the screw in is phenomenal. There are two downsides to it though, and those do come at a cost. There's about this much of the bit that sticks out before you get to the threads of the screw. That's not too big of a concern as long as you have this much room behind whatever you're screwing into to actually have it fasten into it. Simple, right? So you'd think. Ready for number four? Here it comes. Number four, and this one is intuitive. Ask for help. You're not doing this alone. I'm sure you have anyone to help you, and if not, you have online resources. Go ahead, jump on Reddit, jump on YouTube. You're more than welcome to ask me any questions about the build that I've done thus far, and I'll do my best to help. If I don't know an answer, I will find out that answer for you. Yeah, so that's number four. Just try to get help. Wherever, whenever, whoever you can. Whether it's an online guru, whether it's your dad down the street, you can do this. All right. Okay guys, that wraps up the video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell if you want to be notified when we post. We're going to be posting a ton of information on this van build, different things to help you along with it because we are doing it ourselves. When I say we, I mean my wife Alicia and I, and we are super excited to get in and give it a try. I mean, the van's coming along pretty good right now. Yeah, other than that, stay tuned for the next video and hopefully these 4 tips to help you get started with your van and start the construction of it help. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun jazz. It really does help. Okay, till next time, we'll catch you around. Peace.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.